The billboards say, if you see something, say something. We're here today to say something. We read in these reports, the same as you, something that sounds suspiciously un-American. Surveillance of people without probable cause in violation of any number of our amendments to the Constitution. The ACLU Connecticut and CARE have been involved in trying to investigate just how far NYPD has gone into Connecticut to conduct its activities surveilling Muslims. We started after the fall reports that indicated Connecticut may have been a location for NYPD activities. We started by sending FOIA requests to 3 sample cities, Waterbury, Stamford, and Bridgeport. We sent those requests January 6th, CARE and ACLU Connecticut, asking for a number of documents, any documents indicating cooperation, memoranda of understanding, because we want to know, just like these people want to know today, what's going on here. We've received no documents. We've received 3 letters from legal departments or lawyers on behalf of the police departments, indicating that we may get documents, but we haven't seen them yet. CARE and ACLU Connecticut wrote a letter last week before the latest news, and we said by March 1st, if we don't get these documents, we're going to go to the commission to try to find out what is going on in these cities. In the meantime, a February 2nd news story broke where it indicated that there was surveillance in West Hartford. So we've submitted a 4th FOIA request for West Hartford documents relating to the NYPD surveillance. And then the 3rd story broke this weekend, which is why we're all here, indicating student surveillance. And although we're very happy that Yale University's chief executive has indicated an interest in investigating, we intend to issue another FOIA request to the university police to get the extent of those documents. The other initiative that we're undertaking in order to get to the bottom of these activities is to conduct a letter writing campaign to the executives for each major municipal police department, whether that be the mayor or the police commission, asking for full investigation of all NYPD activities in our cities, indicating unlawful surveillance of Muslims in our communities. We're interested in the information, and we will share the information as it's released. I will say that the ACLU Connecticut routinely issues open records requests to police departments, and I don't recall the last time that I got letters from lawyers rather than from the police department.
Does this come as a big surprise to you, though, considering what's going on with the federal government, the Patriot Act, and the fact that the fall reports came out that NYPD was in mosque investigating? Is this a big surprise, or just the fact that it came into Connecticut?
I don't think any of us are surprised. We were looking into it before the news came out, but I think that it doesn't make it any better.
I think the surprise is the extent of the NYPD getting involved in the state of Connecticut in every town and spying on organizations and coffee shops and areas and MSAs and student activities. I mean, recording names of people who pray 5 times a day or who sit down and have a meal together is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, what's surprising is that the New York Police Department thinks that it has a free hand. It doesn't seem like this department realizes that it is supposedly reporting to anybody. I'm not sure at this point if there is anybody who supervises this New York Police Department, if they are operating outside the state, outside the city. I mean, who is in charge? Are they reporting to Congress? The last time I heard in the report is that they're not talking to anyone. They even have operations outside the country. I mean, this is a department that, to me, is overreaching, and someone has to say something to stop it.
Do you